Queen Nefertiti's final resting place has been a mystery for centuries, but the key to finding it might lie with or right next to King Tut. Hi, I'm John for Buzz60, and an archaeologist believes he knows where Nefertiti's mummified corpse has been hiding. Dr. Nicholas Reeves of the University of Arizona claims the Egyptian ruler's body will be found near the burial chamber, belonging to Tutankhamun, better known as King Tut. If true, that would certainly support the theory that Nefertiti was the boy king's mother. Aw, someone just wanted to be close to their mummy. Reeves believes there's a ghost doorway beneath the plaster in Tut's burial chamber, leading to the place where Nefertiti has been resting since around 1340 BC. He also believes there's another secret passageway in Tut's tomb that leads to a hidden storage room. This is starting to sound like the plot of a Brendan Fraser movie. Are there flesh-eating bugs too? A secret grave would answer a lot of questions about Tut's tomb, like why his own burial chamber is considered tiny when compared to other pharaohs. But the real question is, when do we start digging? Buzz60? Now you know, pass it on.